All right, this tutorial is all about solving one-step inequalities that's involving addition or subtraction. All right, so we have steps that we follow, just like when we solve one-step equations. You start on the side with the variable. You will either add or subtract to isolate that variable, and don't forget to follow the integer rules when necessary. Okay, so here's one for us. We want to know what x is. So I'm going to start on this side, and we say it's x plus 3 is greater than or equal to negative 2. All right, so since I'm adding 3 to x, that means I must do opposite. So I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. Okay, you can picture that little line going down here. These cancel because that equals 0, which means I've isolated that variable, gotten it by itself. This guy comes down. And then negative 2 minus 3. Don't forget your integer rules to work this out. So I'm going to add the opposite. So now I have negative 2 plus negative 3. Same sign, find the sum. Because they're both negative, my solution is negative. Now, if I want to graph this situation, you will show a number line, show where 0 is. My solution is this, so negative 5, show where that goes. And x is greater than or equal to. So that means I'm going to fill it in because it can be that answer for this to be true. And greater than means I shade going this way. All of these values, if I plug that in for x, it will make this a true statement, and it'll make all of that true. All right, so next step. Start on the side that has the variable. Okay, now it's on this side. It's on the side we don't like, but we'll fix that in the end. Right? So I'm doing y minus 5. So I will add 5, do the opposite, to both sides. Bring your y down, bring your symbol down, and then negative 6 plus 5. Integer rules state different signs, find the difference. So my answer is 1. Negative 6 has the larger absolute value, so negative 1. Okay, there's my solution, but it's the y is not on the correct side for me to read it properly, and to help me, I need to flip everything. So y will go out front. That sign will turn the other way. Negative 1 goes behind. So y is greater than negative 1. So graphing, show 0, show your negative 1. It's greater than, so I leave it open and shade all the way over here. Okay, last one. Y minus 5 is greater than or equal to negative 7. Okay, so I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I've isolated my y, bring my symbol down. Negative 7 plus 5. Different signs, find the difference. Negative 7 has the larger absolute value, so my answer will remain negative. So y is greater than or equal to negative 2. So show 0, show my negative 2, greater than or equal to, so it will become filled in, and shade all the greater values. Hope that helps.